So I was just diving into this debugging platform called Traceroot, and it totally blew my mind how it combines AI with log tracing.
Right? The idea that you can fix production issues 10 times faster is just wild. How does it even achieve that?
Well, it integrates structured traces and logs with actual source code. It's like having a supercharged detective on your team.
Exactly. And it's not just about speed. The real-time tracing means you can actually spot issues as they happen. That's a game changer.
Hold on, that changes everything. Imagine being able to debug while the app is running, like having eyes on everything at once.
Right? And they emphasize this whole developer-friendly interface too, almost like a specialized version of a cursor.
Totally. It's fascinating because it lowers the barrier for debugging. It feels more approachable.
Exactly. They're basically saying, hey, let's make debugging feel less like a chore and more like a conversation with the AI.
And the idea that it can interact with environments to evolve, wow.
Oh, that's really interesting. It's like each session feeds back into improving future debugging, like an AI learning from experience.
Right? So it's not static, it's continually evolving. That's a huge leap forward.
And speaking of learning, the structured logging helps improve AI performance. It's like optimizing your team dynamically.
Wow. So it's layering intelligence on top of its own experiences. That's pretty much self-improving software.
Yes, but there's more. It integrates seamlessly with tools like GitHub and Notion. That's so handy.
Imagine pulling in everything from your dev tools all in one place. It feels like you're centralizing the chaos.
Exactly. And think about how much more efficient teams can be when they have everything they need at their fingertips.
And this community-driven aspect, it's like engineers coming together to push boundaries. That makes it feel even more exciting.
Right? Right, it's not just a tool. It feels like a collaborative effort to advance engineering.
That's kind of empowering. Everyone gets to contribute to making it better.
For sure. And when you think about it, the integration with AI agents also broadens its applications.
Absolutely. AI taking over analysis means human engineers can focus on more complex tasks. That's golden.
Oh wow, that's so true. You're freeing up brain power for creativity rather than just troubleshooting.
That's blowing my mind. I never considered debugging as being so innovative. It seems like a whole new world.
And let's not overlook the cloud aspect. Getting started with a free trial for Traceroot Cloud is a no-brainer.
Wait, what? A free trial? That's wild. It lowers the barrier even further.
Yeah, you get a fair amount of storage, tokens, and an AI agent. It's like testing before you commit.
What a smart way to engage users. You get to experience the power before you dive in.
And when you self-host, you maintain control over data. It's like having your cake and eating it too.
That gives you flexibility, and the whole Docker setup just sets it up easily.
Exactly. You can set up the Jaeger container right away for local testing. It's super convenient.
And all that setup leads you into a real workflow. You aren't just playing around, you're building real solutions.
Totally. This gives teams a chance to refine their processes continuously. It's proactive instead of reactive.
Imagine being ahead of the game, catching issues before they escalate. That's innovative.
For sure. I'm picturing a world where engineers are less stressed and more effective. Can you imagine?
That's a dream come true, honestly. So what's the takeaway here?
The takeaway is that Traceroot isn't just a tool. It's a revolution in how we approach debugging.
Exactly. It's about collaboration, adaptability, and being ahead of the curve.
And it gets us all thinking about the future of engineering. What can we build with those tools?
I guess the next step for engineers everywhere is just to dive in and explore.
Absolutely. And who knows? We might all just fall in love with debugging again.
That's the beauty of it. Debugging as a profound, engaging experience rather than a tedious chore.
Exactly. And moving forward, just imagine what other innovations we'll see in this space.